If you're a fan of running Android apps on your PC, you've probably heard of Bluestacks 5. Today, we're going to talk about how to make Bluestacks 5 run faster on Windows 11 or 10. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Allocate more resources. First up, let's make sure Bluestacks 5 has enough resources to work with. Open Bluestacks, click on the gear icon for settings, and head to the Engine tab. Here, you can allocate more CPU cores and RAM to Bluestacks. Adjust these settings based on your PC's capabilities. Tip 2. Enable virtualization technology. Many PCs have virtualization technology disabled by default. Go into your PC's BIOS settings. You can usually access it by pressing a key like F2 or Del during startup. Find the virtualization option and enable it. This can significantly boost Bluestacks' performance. Tip 3. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can be a major bottleneck. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer or use Windows Update to get the latest drivers. Tip 4. Adjust Bluestacks graphics settings. Inside Bluestacks, click on the gear icon, go to Graphics, and tweak the settings. Experiment with different options, but generally, a balance between performance and quality is what you're aiming for. Tip 5. Clear cache and data. Over time, Bluestacks can accumulate a lot of cache and data. Open Bluestacks settings, head to the Apps section, and manually clear the cache and data of the apps you don't need. This can free up valuable space and improve performance. And there you have it, folks. These tips should help you make Bluestacks 5 run faster on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if there's any other topic you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and happy Android gaming on your PC.